So Val, just curious about how you found this area for your chocolate factory.
My husband had been a vice president with Chase Manhattan in New York, and we decided that we were going to purchase a business. He didn't like working for a corporation any longer. We were living in New Jersey at the time, and we hit a snowstorm, and the car went off the road one night, and we said, we're going to Florida.
So a snowstorm really got you coming this way.
I would say so.
I hear that a lot. I'm from Ohio, I get it.
Oh.
So this is the place to go for gifts for sure, and maybe for a little bit of indulgence. Or a lot. We're so happy you're here, and we love that you have such a passion for chocolates and for what you do. So really lucky to have you in the community.
Please feel free to stop by at any time and come and check us out.